What's going on, YouTube? This is Bear Brown. Thanks for coming to my garden channel today, where I'm here helping you grow something tasty. All right, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to get free fertilizer. I did a video a while ago about free fertilizer. This time, this is a liquid fertilizer. Let me put this on. The mosquitoes are getting crazy out here. All right, so if you have weeds in your garden, you know that's one thing that you hate to have, and I got loads of it right now, and we're gonna talk about that in a live a couple of weeks from now. I'm gonna do my first live, so make sure you listen out for that. But everybody knows, or if you're new to my channel, I have a food forest. I'm gonna walk over here, and my food forest, with all the wood chips down, it normally keeps the weeds down, but I got a lot of weeds coming up all over the place. So let me show you the example. All right, so these are not plants. This right here is weeds. All right, now if you know what type of weed that is, please let me know, because I'm gonna do some research on it so I can figure out what it is. But I did this to myself, but we'll talk about that in the live. I'm gonna grab a little bit more. All right, so let's go back over, and I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do with it. All right, so what I'm gonna do is, I got the weeds in the bucket, and what I like to do is, you see how nice and green this is? So we know it has nitrogen, and I'm pretty sure in the roots we have the rest of the NPK, because all the goodness that we put in the soil, all the weeds are loving it too. That's why they're going crazy. So I want to make sure I get my nitrogen back. I want to make sure I get my phosphorus and potassium back, and all the other trace elements. So what I like to do is I like to make cuts into the weeds. So every cut I make, when I put the water into the bucket, every cut, all the goodness gonna seep out into the water. And like I said, I'm getting all my nutrition back, and I'm gonna put it on the plants that I want to put it on. All right, so you get the idea. You just keep cutting it up. I'm not gonna cut it all the way through, but stuff it in. And I normally will fill the bucket all the way up to the top. But let's go ahead and put some water in it. When you get ready to put your water in, you wanna make sure that you have rainwater. If you don't have rainwater, then you wanna sit some water out in a bucket for 24 hours so that you get all the chlorine and all those elements out of the water, so that you'll be good to go to get this nice, good fertilizer. And the other thing, you wanna make sure that you have a top, because this is gonna be anaerobic liquid fertilizer, so that's mean without oxygen. So it's gonna smell pretty bad. Now I made the mistake once before. I went ahead, I filled it up with water, and I let it sit over there, and I had every fly in the country in this bucket. So make sure you have a top, because you don't want that. All right, so let's go fill this up. All right, let me cut on my rainwater barrel. And make sure it goes all the way up close to the top. You may leave like a inch at the top of the bucket. All right, we almost there. All the mosquitoes coming up for the water. All right, so I got this already under the water, submerged. So all I'm gonna do is take this top and seal it. And if you don't have a top or a bucket, I'm gonna tell you where you can go get these buckets at for free or close to it. These are 5-gallon food grade buckets. I go to a local bakery, and sometimes they'll charge you maybe $1 or $2. The last time I went, they gave it to me for free. So like I said, this whole process can be free of charge. All you gotta do is have a little bit of time, a little bit of willpower. They go out there and get the weeds, and then we good to go. All right, now this next bucket, let me move this to the side. This next bucket has the fertilizer in it. Now I want y'all to wish me luck, because this fertilizer has been brewing for about 3 weeks. So if I fall out, y'all send somebody to come get me. All right, so the smell is not gonna be good. And all I'm gonna do is take my 2-gallon watering can. Now you can strain it, but I'm not gonna strain it today. I'm only gonna take 1 cup of this, and I'm gonna fill the rest with my rainwater. All right, so let me go ahead and get into it. Like I said, wish me luck. I'm gonna hold my breath. It's been in here for 3 weeks. Oh, I just cracked it. It smells bad. Whoa. I'm about to fall out, y'all. Oh, oof. Let me let you look at it. That's 3 weeks of rotting. So all I'm gonna do is stir that up. Oh, I got that on my scissors. I got to wash that. Oh my goodness. Woo! And I gotta put my hands in that. All right, here we go. This is not good. All right, I got holes in the thing. I didn't know I had a hole in it. All right, so real live YouTube TV, but I'm gonna still do it. All right, so let me cut the water on. And this is our free liquid fertilizer. Are we almost there? All right, let me go ahead and cut that off. You see, I got flies coming already. It is that bad. All right, so let's go apply the fertilizer. This is my sugar canes. They need some extra love, so I'm gonna go ahead and put that down and water that in. So there you go. That's that nice free fertilizer. All right, that should be enough. Like I said, that is bad. Sorry, plants, but it's gonna be good for you. All right, so this is a way to get free fertilizer. Basically, I'm using something that I have a lot of, which I don't want, but I'm gonna try to get the benefits from the weeds. So whenever possible, I'm what's gonna harm my garden, because the weeds can choke out my plants. Well, my plants are winding down right now, so this is what I decided to do. So I'm looking at the weeds. I said, okay, I got a plan for you. You're gonna be fertilizer. Oh, let me close that top. Oh, woo! All right, sorry y'all. All right, so that's going to wrap up the free fertilizer. But just remember that I'm going to be doing a live in the next couple of weeks, and I will let you know. I think I got my nerves out, and I'm gonna get better if I keep doing it. So I already made the decision. That's what I'm gonna do. So hopefully you will come out and take part in the live, ask questions, and you can help me to get better if you have any suggestions. All right, this is Bear Brown. Take care. I'll talk to you next time. Bye.